Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 9. What is the unit name? Verbs, future time. Verbs, future tense. Future time or future tense. That is the name. Verbs, future tense. So, in this chapter in grammar, I have given information about future tense. Now comes to the exercise. So, here A to K, from A to K. What is that? It will be given the blanks. We use here will, shall or going to. So, whenever we see the to be form, what to be form? Is, am or are. What we write? We write with going to. What we write? We write going to. Or if not given, to be form. If already given blanks before given to be form, then write going to. Or not given, then we write will or shall with the blank. So, without wasting time, let's see the blanks. In the first A, here given see, I am. See, I am. So, what we write in the first blank? This, going to. So, the first answer is going to. I am going to go to the station. Can you tell me the fastest way to reach there? So, in the first blank, what we write? Going to. This, here write going to. Now comes to second. Going by a direct bus is the fastest. Bus number second CA blank take you to the railway station. Take you to the railway station. So, here given the bus number. Then what we write here? Will. What? Will. So, B answer is will. Now, see. She didn't do well in the test. Her mother, and here given the to be form is. So, what we write here? Going to. Going to be very disappointed. Now D, I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. Dash you speak a little louder. So pronoun you is used, so we write will. Will you speak a little louder? Now comes to E. Here given I in E. We dash have a farewell party tonight in the E. So, whenever we see I or we use what? Shall. What? Shall. We use will also, but here we, after we use what? Shall. We shall have a farewell party tonight. In the F, here use I. So, what we use? Shall. I shall take permission from my father to go to the party. It's not sure. That is why use I and we with shall. In G, all our classmates dash come. So, what we write here? Will in G. H, we then write are. So, here going to. Going to. In I, our class teacher then write will. Will be there too. Then J, see here write question symbol of question mark at last. Here and starting with to be form. So what we write here? Going to buy something for our teacher. And the last one K, the memento dash remind her of our branch. So what we write here? Write will. What we write? Will. If you find these two things, I and we. I and we. Then you write shall. If you find to be form, which to be form, is, am, are, then write what? Going to as an answer. What? Going to. Or else you find something else. Just like this. The last one, the memento. Our class teacher, third form. Then you write will. What? Will. Okay? So this is the answer of this blank. Now comes to the second. So this is for you as a homework. You have been made the class monitor. Your principal has asked you to submit a plan for the next class excursion trip. Write 5 sentences about your plan for the trip. Your sentences should be in the simple future. What? In the simple future. So see how we write the sentences. We use with we. We will go to the mountains. We will go to the mountains. We will see the sunrise. What? Sunrise. Then we will carry what? Cameras. We will participate in trekking and hiking. We will learn about the local flora and fauna. This is how we write the 5 sentences of simple future. Then next is, see here, future continuous. What is the future continuous? Definition. So the definition is the future continuous refers to an action that is expected to continue for some time in the future. So the action is continuing in the future. If I talk just now, here given the example. Let's see. My sister will be studying from 7 to 9 in the evening. So 7 p.m. I talked. But what? 7 to 9 p.m. showing the future event. 7 to 9 p.m. she will be studying, doing her study. So during this period, 7 to 9, showing the future event, she will be studying, continuing from 7 to 9. So this is how we plan in the future, showing the continuing prediction. We can do this in the future continuous. So see here the structure of future continuous tense. In affirmative tense, we use I, we, you, he, she, they, and the pronoun. We use shall or will. But in I and we pronoun, first person singular and first person plural, we use what? Shall. And the remaining pronouns with we use will. Okay? And the be verb is compulsory to use with shall or will. Then after use be. Shall be, will be, showing the continuous tense. Then the main verb with ing form. Main verb with ing form. Okay? So this is how we use the continuous tense. Affirmative. Negative, after using this shall and will, we use not. This is how the sentence formed negative. Then here given the blanks. Before that, here using the future continuous, how we use and where we use. Denote a definite action in the future. My mother will be joining. See, will be joining her office tomorrow. So now he talking about the sentence. What? Mother. The action of joining office. What? Tomorrow. tomorrow, office timing, joining. Refer to pre-scheduled future plan. Pre-scheduled, not scheduled but pre-scheduled. The selection committee will be meeting in an hour time. Okay, selecting committee will be meeting. This committee will be meeting an hour time. So now he is talking about but arranging the meeting, but an half an hour he will be meeting. Within this hour the meeting will continuing. Or refer to longer ongoing future action interrupted by the another shorter future action also. See, just like the example given, Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. The both sentence future continuous and simple future tense. When I reach home, what Seema is doing? Seema will be sleeping. Seema will be sleeping. So now talking the sentence, but in the future Seema will be sleeping. When I will reach, if I am talking about the sentence at 8 o'clock and reaching at 9, so till 9 to 10, this continuous time Seema will be sleeping. So the action is going on. Now fill in the blanks. What is fill in the blanks with simple future or future continuous forms of the verbs given in the brackets. We use it. Let's see. The first, my granny blank, here given the sleep verb, with us tonight. She dash read us a story after dinner. So here the two tense we can use. Two tense. So in the first, see, my granny blank sleepy. Here sleep verb is used with us tonight. My granny, what? The first answer is will be sleeping. Will be sleeping is the correct answer. Will be sleeping with us tonight. Talking about tonight. So from the whole night she will be sleeping. So the action is continuing. She blank us a story after dinner. After dinner. So here you can write both. If you want to write will be reading, that's okay. And if you write will and read, that is also correct. Both answers are correct. If you write will be reading, it's also correct, or will read also correct. Why? Because after dinner, talking about after dinner, the reading process is continuing, or will read, we can use it. So the first answer is completed. Now comes to the second. When Dinesh flight lands, Suresh dash another flight at the same airport. In this blank given the board. So when Dinesh flight lands, Suresh blank another flight at the same airport. So what we use? Only will and board. Will and board. Answer will board. In talking about the future event, that is why. Now the third, we dash not delay her any further. Her mom dash, here given wait for her at home. Two actions. So in the first blank, not delayed given. So the answer is will not delay. Will not delay. We will not delay her any further. Her mom, here given what? Her mom will not delay, and here wait given. So what is the answer? Will be waiting. Will be waiting for her at home. So the action is going on. Waiting. Okay. Now the fourth one. See here. The fourth. Zara blank to the cinema tonight, but I blank my science project with my dad. So the fourth answer is in the first. What we write? Will go. The action is completed tonight. Cinema. Going tonight. Night show. But I blank doing. So my science project with my dad. So with my dad the process is going on. So what we write? Will be doing. What? Will be doing. Now the fifth one. I dash to your house first and then we dash together for the movie. So in the fifth, both showing the future tense only. So in the fifth, will come and will go. That is the answer. Number fifth. Now sixth. In the sixth, don't worry if you haven't yet received any letters from your uncle. He dash write to you soon. So it's only one blank given, one verb is given, right? So what's showing? Don't worry if you haven't yet received any letters from your uncle. But the action is going on. Then write what? Will be writing. Will be writing. In the number 6. Now comes to number 7. See. Rita and Maheen travel to work by the same train. They dash meet each other this morning. Here only given one. So what? Rita and Mahesh travel to work by the same train. Same train in the future. Present. But they blank meet each other this morning. Talking about this morning only. Okay. So this process is not going on. So what is the answer? Will meet. Will meet in the 7th. Now number 8. There are two blanks here given. When Manish dash dinner, his partner dash the study. So in the both the process is going on. So will be cooking. Will be cooking and the second is will be organizing. Will be organizing. So this is how we completed this blank. Okay. Then after here given the sentences means the words. What? The words. With the words we use the future continuous tense. Let's see the words. Which are the words given? See. Write 7 complete sentences as part of your to-do list. Using the future continuous. Use the following timetable while making your list. I have done 2. Then the remaining part for you as homework. Okay. So the first one. Here given 5 a.m. and get up. Okay. So what we do? We use will be or shall be. But you will use this. I will be. I will be. With the all 8 sentences talking about only yourself. So use this. Oh, okay. I will be. And the verb here given get. So what? Getting. The verb be getting up. Getting up and given the time. Which time? At 5 a.m. This is how we complete the first one. Now see the second one. Second one given. So what we write? First we write I will be. Then what is the verb given here? Given do. So here write doing maths. Maths homework. Here time indicate 6 to 7. So from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is how we do the exercise. Okay. Then the third one is given the time 7 a.m. and 7:45 and get ready for school bus. This is the sentence given. See in the third one. Okay. So sentence start with this I will be. then get verb given, getting. I will be getting ready for school. Between 7 a.m. and 7:45 a.m. This is how we complete this. Then the remaining 4 to 8, this is the homework for you. Okay, I will be waiting, I will be reaching, I will coming, I will be coming, I will be playing, or I will be completing homework. The words you use and time indication. This is how you done the work. Okay, I hope you understand about the future tense and the future continuous tense. Thank you. And this exercise, fill in the blanks and this write in your notebook. Thank you.